Hi guys, it's Caleb with MarineMax Lake Norman. Today I wanted to do a walkthrough video on this new 2025 Sea Ray SPX 210 outboard we just got in. You'll see it, we have it in the horizon gray, hull side color, white hull bottom, white decking. Comes with the galvanized dual axle trailer. This one we opted for the arch on top. You got the bimini shade up there. New design, really sleek look. You got the rounded windshield. It's a really good looking boat. We'll hop on the inside. I'll show you some of the features on the inside. All right, hopping up on the inside here. First things first, you'll notice it's powered by our 200 horsepower V6 Mercury outboard. We have the white motor cowling to match the rest of the boat. It looks really good. Even for an outboard opted motor, you still get plenty of room back here, kind of like a swim platform. You got the sea deck walk through here on the side. Big lounger, you got the backrest, tons of space to hang out. Walking through, you'll see we have a flush side walk-through, easy in and out for any age passengers. Easy access to your battery switch down here, as well as tons of extra storage. This has a dual battery setup, which is very convenient. As you walk through, you know, you got more storage, doubles as a cooler there. Storage underneath all the seats, and with this one opted with the outboard, you get massive storage inside where your like I/O engine compartment would be. Battery trays over here. Like I said, dual battery switches. Moving on the inside, you'll notice it's in the dune color. It's very luxurious. Sea deck throughout, brown sea deck throughout. Mentioned all the storage, but it also has a ton of functionality. You got this seat that flips back and forth, storage underneath that. You got your glove box here on the passenger side with chargers on the inside. All right, sitting at the helm here, you notice we have a really clean dash. Simrad display here, touchscreen. You can do your gauge clusters, your mapping, sonar, down scanning. It's got a bunch of different features. You get your quick toggle switches here for easy access, your fusion, stereo head over here, cup holders throughout, up and down. You got the phone charger, your digital throttle. You do have active trim on this as well. This seat is also on a bolster, and it's actually functional. It gets you up high, gives you a better elevation to see over maybe some passengers' heads up here when you're docking. Great comfortable spot. Love this helm. Moving up to the bow here, you got tons of storage. I've mentioned it a ton of times for this size of boat. There's tons of storage. Huge compartment here on the passenger side. Also, you got in-floor storage where you're standing right there. Put skis, tubes. This one you do have the hookup to have the pump for your tubes too, which is really convenient. Walking up into the front, you'll notice it's super spacious. Again, storage underneath all your seats. You got your cup holders down here. Fusion speakers up here, some nice chrome stainless steel grab handles. Really secure bow space for any age. It's just an awesome boat. Great to get out on the water on this 21 foot. It'll handle most lakes. So yeah, if you like what you see, we'd love to see you here at the store. Give us a call, check us out online, and love to see you here soon. Thanks.